Simplify 2y squared minus 3xy minus 2x squared all over 4y squared minus x squared. We are given 2y squared minus 3xy minus 2x squared all over 4y squared minus x squared will be, we can express this in the form of ay squared plus by plus c all over a squared minus b squared. Then we start with the numerator. Numerator is 2y squared minus 3xy minus 2x squared. We can use factorization method to solve this one here. This is 2 times 2 giving us 4x. 2 times 2 is giving us 4x squared. 4x squared. 4x squared. 2 times 2 x squared is minus 4x squared. Minus 4x squared. And we can say that minus 4x squared, we can say that it is negative 4x times positive x will give us negative 4x squared. Therefore, we can write this expression as 2y squared minus 4 here, 4x y plus x here plus xy minus 2x squared. And now we can do some grouping here. We can separate this into two, this part and this part here, and group them. Now the common factor here is 2y. So we can say this is 2y bracket y minus 2x plus common factor here is x bracket y minus 2x. This is giving us y minus 2x bracket 2y plus x. So now we have simplified the numerator. This is our numerator here. Now what about the denominator? Our denominator is 4y squared minus x squared. 4y squared minus x squared. And this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is equal to, this identity is giving us a plus b bracket a minus b. Therefore, we can write this as can write this as this one we can write as 2 squared y squared minus x squared, which is equal to 2y squared minus x squared. Therefore, we can say that 2y squared, 2y, let's say that 2y squared minus x squared, we can convert it to this form here, a squared minus b squared. So now this is going to give us 2y plus x bracket 2y minus x. So our denominator is 2y plus x bracket 2y minus x bracket. Therefore, we can now get our final answer. So we say that numerator over denominator will be, our numerator is here, y minus 2x bracket 2y plus x bracket, y minus 2x bracket 2y plus x bracket our numerator over denominator will be y minus 2x bracket 2y plus x bracket over our denominator is 2y plus x bracket 2y minus x bracket. So this is 2y plus x bracket 2y minus x bracket. So now you can see that 2y plus x is here, 2y plus x here. So we can cancel this one and this one, giving us y minus 2x over 2y minus x. Y minus 2x over 2y minus x. Y minus 2x over 2y minus x. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.